Okay, putting the mount on. This little part slides into the hole like a puzzle piece. And once it's in, lock the blue part around. And then the arm comes up and down. And your mount's on. Lift it up, down, unlock the blue bit, so just twist it and slide the bar out. Now you can just carry it, fold it up like that. So we're going to put the device on this mount. The back of the device is going to slide into it, and then you're going to check it's firmly in.
Nice firm grip.
Okay. You're going to slide it in again like a puzzle.
Click.
It clicked, and then keep your hand under it as you give it a little shake to check it's locked in firmly so that it doesn't fall off. Now to take it off, you pull the little clip, hold the device firmly and slide it out.